Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a Pinterest account. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to type on Google Pinterest. Then you will find this skin. Then going to click on the Pinterest title. This is the official website of Pinterest. Here is the Pinterest website. Then click on the sign up. Okay, when you click on the sign up, there will be a pop-up that we have to use to sign up. So here we don't use our continue with Gmail or login with Gmail or login with social media account. And here we are not going to create a free business account. Here we are going to create a personal account that we can convert anytime into a business account. Also, I will show you in another video how to create a professional business account, but this video is only for create a personal account. Okay, so to sign up, first we have to add our email and password. So I have added my email, password and birthday. Then I have to click on the continue. Wow, we have completed our first step. Then you can see that welcome to Pinterest, Faisal. Okay, now we have to click on the next. So click on next, then select your gender. Okay, then what your language and where do you live. So here you have to add your language. So I select my language English US and my country Bangladesh. Then click on the next. Okay, then I have to select what are you interested in. This will customize your new home feed. So let me find my interest. Then click on the meet your home feed. Okay, now click on the accept all and I can add more. For example, Shopify. Then from here click on the filter, select bold, apply. Okay, we can do more at later. Then search SEO, then select this one, follow. Okay, then finally we are going to search WordPress because my core is skill on WordPress, Shopify and SEO. That's why I search this board, apply and follow some board. But in later I will update everything and reorganize based on my interest. Select this one. Okay, so it's enough for now. And now we are going to click on here to view our profile and update our profile. So first we have to click on the edit profile because we have to make it professional. So I'm going to my website e-commerce thesis. Okay, so now first I'm going to change my profile. So choose profile, then click on here. Okay, then select this one or this one, anyone. Okay, my profile for to updating. Then I have to add last name. So add my last name, tell my story. Then I have to add my website URL in here. Okay, then add username will be same as my Shopify username. Yes, perfect. Okay, I have added my profile picture, first name, last name, and about me, my website link, username, then click on the save profile, save, and you can see that in here. Then account management. Okay, in account management you can change your email, change password, convert it into a business account, change personal information like birthday, gender, country, language, and you can deactivate and delete your account. Okay, then we are going to click on the profile visibility. So in here we can make it private profile or search privacy. You can hide your profile and board from search engine, but we'll never do that because we want to bring traffic in our website, our YouTube channel from this platform, so we'll never do that. Then turn your home feed, tune your home feed. You can see your interest, see board, and see the following. In climate account we can connect with our Instagram and we can link with our website. We will learn about that in later, but in this tutorials we are just going to learn how to create a professional of our Pinterest account, to learn in details everything about our Pinterest profile, account, and settings and setup. Then social permission, and here we can mention anyone on Pinterest, message, following everyone. So you can manage, control everything, relevant message, mention and comment, shopping recommendation, autoplay video, a lot of things. Then notification, privacy policy and security, and branded content. So branded content especially for make money from Pinterest. It is advanced feature for creator or content publisher to make money from this platform. So that's all for now, and I hope you understand everything about your Pinterest account, how to create Pinterest account, set up profile, and everything relevant Pinterest. Also we can create our board from here. Board is very important part of Pinterest. So when we try to create any board, we must have to focus about our niche. For example, I'm going to create a board, my board name Shopify. Okay, then click on the create, then going to create another board. Okay, here we have to save some pin to your new board, but we are not going to do that right now because I'll create my own pin, then I'll add. Okay, then go back my profile, then I'm going to create another board name WordPress. Click on the create. So just save a board for now and go back my profile. So you see WordPress Shopify, then add another board SEO, then click on the done, then add another board e-commerce. Yeah, that's all. So I hope you understand how to create a professional Pinterest account and add all the relevant information to make it professional. Also how to create board on your Pinterest account. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.